These look like ASICS, but they cost over $1,000. And they're going viral everywhere right now. So we're gonna go over what's the hype behind the Bottega Venneta Orbit sneakers for y'all today and see if y'all should cop a pair. And I got these for a fraction of the price. Thanks for tapping back in, guys. It's your boy called Chris. That means you can call me any fucking time. So why haven't you? You feel me? So let's lock in, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. In today's video, I have another sneaker review again, but I had to see what these are about. You feel me? Good Vennetas. And I got these sneakers in from picpop.ru, guys. If you've never heard of them, go ahead and check them out. I love most of their sneakers. I got some CPFMs from them a long time ago. First thing first, packaging. The box looks pretty great in my opinion. Here's the sizing and the box all around. I got these in the size 46, guys. It does come with a dust bag. It does come with a Bottega Venneta card, and they come packaged correctly. Go right into the sneakers, bro. Absolute hitters, but do look like ASICS to me. So when runners started to come out like 2022, 2023, I was definitely thinking the wave is going towards that ASICS, New Balance kind of wave, and it definitely did. Shout out to DMV niggas. I know a lot of designer brands are trying to do their own silhouette of it, and they've been killing it. So for these Bottegas, first look, I would have to give them a 10. Jay has a real pair of these, so I'm gonna go based off of branding and sizing and see if these are legit for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into details, sizing, and quality. The all gray mesh uppers hitting with the bulky tech runner midsole. It looks great, like a trainer, soccer trainer, some shit. It really does give ASICS on steroids, if you're telling me, you feel me? So, but it's the build, quality, and the subtle branding that reminds you this is luxury. First thing I'm realizing, they feel super light in hand, not like Balenciaga's, not heavy. So I really like that too. It really feels like a trainer or runner. Slight branding, but the way that shit hits is crazy. The metallic on the toe box also, it's chunky, but these shoes are very narrow. I can feel that already. They look chunky, but they're very narrow shoes, bro. So, ooh, I'm already looking at my reflection in the back. Hold on. Metallic look with the underlying mesh and then blue. It's beautiful. And then a crazy gum bottom, which I don't know who thought of this. So these came in quick as fuck, I cannot lie. Thank God the tariffs are low right now. I'm gonna tell you guys, if you are thinking about ordering, buying, buy right now. The tariffs are low, get that shit in pretty quick. I'll show you the days in between it got here. I'm shipping. This shit came probably like 9-10 days. I'm not gonna lie, I'm looking for what's trending. I'm looking for what to resell in 2025. And Bottegas, these are viral everywhere right now. Enough on the detail shots with these. Let's go ahead and see how these look on feet, y'all. You feel me? On foot, they look tough, very minimal, but very styled, guys. These are absolutely amazing, in my opinion. The sizing for these are a 46. I will say size up if you can. If you can. I know this, I got big feet, big, whoa. But they're narrow. They're not for wide feet. They look chunky, but they're not for wide feet, so I'm just keeping it real. But super stylish if you guys like them. And get a pair, picpop.ru. For retail, these go for about a racky, $1,000. Designer sneakers, we'll say that is correct. But if you guys want to get this pair from where I bought them from, and this is just for entertainment purposes only, picpop.ru will get you right. So, but I'll admit that these hit harder in person. Like TikTok doesn't do it justice. Let me know if y'all will cop. I'll definitely will cop again if I can find my size in the 47. But these is getting. So let me know what you guys think. Hype or overhyped in the comments. And it's your boy called Chris. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for tapping in with me.